Imagine debugging a 500-line bug in just seconds, or generating an entire app backend while you grab your morning coffee. Developers, if you're still coding like it's 2020, you're leaving HOURS on the table every single day. Welcome to SKRS, your home for future tech and AI. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 AI tools exploding in 2025 that will 10x your productivity. We've got free picks, paid powerhouses, and tools that even GitHub pros swear by. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're ready to code smarter, subscribe to SKRS for weekly AI drops, and check out our future tech and AI playlist for more game-changing content. Let's transform your development workflow. Let's go. So what exactly are you going to discover today? First, code generation tools that write entire functions from natural language descriptions. Just tell it what you need and watch the magic happen. Second, intelligent debugging assistants that identify bugs in seconds and explain complex code across thousands of lines. Third, design-to-code converters that transform your wireframes and sketches into production-ready React, Vue, or vanilla JavaScript. And fourth, enterprise security solutions with privacy-focused features, on-premise training, and zero data leaks for your sensitive projects. Every single tool we're covering today has been tested on real-world projects. Whether you're a solo developer or part of an enterprise team, there's something here that will revolutionize your workflow. Let's jump into tool number 10. GitHub Copilot 10. Coming in at number 10, we have GitHub Copilot, the industry standard AI pair programmer. Powered by OpenAI's advanced models, Copilot provides context-aware code suggestions directly in your IDE. It actually understands your codebase and generates complete functions from natural language comments. Here's a real example. Type a comment like fetch user data from API, and Copilot generates the complete async function with error handling instantly. Here's what makes it incredible. It reduces boilerplate code by up to 40% in real-world applications. That's hours saved every week. It auto-completes entire functions with high accuracy, not just single lines. The VS Code integration is seamless with literally one-click installation. It's battle-tested with minimal hallucinations, so you can trust the suggestions. And it supports multiple programming languages and frameworks right out of the box. Pricing: there's a free tier to get started, and the professional plan is just $10 a month. In my last project, Copilot cut my boilerplate time nearly in half. But if Copilot's your sidekick, wait until you meet the next tool. It's a complete game changer. Cursor IDE 9. Number 9, Cursor IDE, the AI-first code editor that's revolutionizing how we write code. Built on VS Code's foundation, Cursor brings conversational AI directly into your editing experience. You can literally ask it to explain complex regex patterns, optimize performance bottlenecks, or refactor legacy code, and it does it brilliantly. Picture this: select messy code and ask refactor this to use modern ES6 syntax. Cursor rewrites it with arrow functions, destructuring, and async await instantly cleaned up. Check out these features. The 2025 update brings native multi-file editing capabilities. Edit across your entire project seamlessly. Composer mode lets you scaffold complete applications in minutes, perfect for rapid prototyping. It accelerates junior developers to mid-level productivity faster than any training program. It's compatible with all your favorite VS Code extensions, so there's zero learning curve. And the inline chat provides contextual assistance exactly when you need it. Free version with limitations gets you started, or go unlimited for $20 a month. The retention hack here: use Composer mode for app scaffolding and you'll wonder how you ever built projects without it. Claude 3.58. At number 8, we have Claude 3.5 from Anthropic, the long context specialist designed for ethical AI development. Claude excels at processing massive codebases. I'm talking about submitting 10,000 plus lines of code for comprehensive debugging, security audits, or architectural analysis, all with detailed explanations. Real-world example: paste an entire express, JS backend and ask find all SQL injection vulnerabilities. Claude identifies every issue and explains the fixes with actual code examples you can implement immediately. What makes Claude special? Enhanced safety protocols minimize hallucinations, so the outputs are reliable. It's exceptional for security vulnerability assessment. I used it last week to audit a security flaw and it saved me an entire day of work. You get free web access plus professional API integration for your production environments. It genuinely saves hours on complex debugging sessions that would normally take forever. And Constitutional AI ensures all outputs are responsible and ethical. Free web access for everyone with API options available. Why 2025? Better safety rails mean fewer mistakes and more trustworthy code assistance. Pieces 4 DVLOPRS 7. Number 7. Pieces 4 DVLOPRS, your intelligent code memory bank. Pieces completely transforms how you manage code snippets. It saves code with full context, then leverages AI to generate variations, explanations, and integrations. The best part? All processing happens locally for maximum privacy. Here's how it works. Save a React hook snippet you created, then ask generate a similar hook for form validation. Pieces creates a customized version based on your coding patterns, not generic examples. Here's what you get. Context-aware snippet management and retrieval. It remembers not just the code but why you wrote it. Local-first architecture protects your sensitive code. Nothing leaves your machine unless you want it to. Collaborative workflow sharing for teams makes knowledge transfer seamless. AI-powered code generation from your saved patterns accelerates development. Think of it as your personal development wiki on steroids. Free core features get you started. Professional tier is $10 monthly. Pro developer tip: share workflows with your team and watch productivity skyrocket. Devin 6. Number 6 brings us to the frontier of AI development. Devin from Cognition Labs, the autonomous AI software engineer. Devin isn't just a tool, it's like having an additional team member. It plans architectures, writes code, debugs issues, and deploys applications completely end-to-end. Imagine this: give Devin requirements like build a to-do app with React frontend and Node backend, deploy to Vercel. It creates the entire project structure, writes the code, adds tests, and deploys it, all autonomously. The capabilities are impressive. Complete full-stack development from Figma designs all the way to Vercel deployment. Autonomous project planning and execution. Give it requirements and it builds. Self-debugging capabilities across the entire stack, front-end, back-end database. It handles deployment pipelines automatically, including CI/CD setup. Now here's the important ethics note: always review Devin's outputs. Human oversight is absolutely essential. $20 per month base pricing, with usage-based costs for complex tasks. The 2025 edge: Devin now handles more complex full-stack scenarios than ever before, but remember, it's a powerful tool that requires responsible use. Uizard 5. Halfway through at number 5, Uizard, the design-to-production code converter. Uizard bridges the massive gap between design and development. Scan your hand-drawn sketches or upload wireframes and receive production-ready React or Vue components. It's ideal for full-stack developers who want a focus on functionality, not design tools. Real example: take a photo of a hand-drawn login form wireframe with your phone. Upload it to Uizard. In under 2 minutes, you get a responsive React component with form validation and styling ready to integrate. Key features: wireframe to code conversion happens in literal minutes, not hours. Full support for React and Vue frameworks with modern best practices. It accelerates prototyping by 5 times compared to traditional methods. Completely eliminates the design tool learning curve, no Figma mastery required. Responsive output that works across all device sizes right out of the box. Free trial available. Standard plan is $12 monthly. If you're a full stacker who hates spending time in design tools, Uizard will change your life. Tabnine 4. At number 4, Tabnine, the privacy-first enterprise autocomplete solution. Tabnine prioritizes privacy without compromising capability. It trains exclusively on your codebase with zero external data transmission. The 2025 release brings enhanced support for legacy systems and proprietary codebases. Here's a real scenario: you're working on a proprietary banking application. Tabnine learns your internal API patterns and suggests completions that match your company's exact coding standards. All data stays on-premise. Nothing ever leaves your servers. Security-focused features. Enterprise-grade privacy and compliance built into every layer. Custom training on your proprietary codebases, it learns your patterns. Zero data leakage guarantees, your code never leaves your infrastructure. Optimized specifically for legacy code modernization projects. On-premise deployment options for maximum security control. Free for individual developers, $12 per user monthly for enterprise teams. If you're working with sensitive code or legacy systems, Tabnine is your go-to solution. Better for legacy code bases in 2025 means smoother modernization projects. Replit Ghostwriter 3. Bronze medal position at number 3, Replit Ghostwriter collaborative cloud development at its finest. Replit Ghostwriter combines real-time collaboration with AI assistance, all in a browser-based IDE. Perfect for distributed teams, pair programming sessions, and rapid prototyping without any local setup. Picture this: you're at a hackathon. 3 team members are coding together in real time from different locations. Ghostwriter suggests API endpoints and optimizations as you type, and nobody had to install a single thing locally. Collaboration features. Real-time multi-user collaboration. Code together, see changes instantly. AI-powered code suggestions and completions as you type. Ideal for remote team brainstorming sessions and hackathons. Zero setup required, everything runs in your browser, no configuration headaches. Instant deployment capabilities, get your projects live immediately. Free basic access for individuals, premium is just $7 monthly. Remote team working on a tight deadline, Replit Ghostwriter makes distributed development feel like you're in the same room. Amazon CodeWhisperer 2. Silver medal at number 2. Amazon CodeWhisperer, the AWS Integrated Development Assistant. Amazon's entry into AI-assisted development focuses specifically on cloud-native applications. CodeWhisperer provides AWS-optimized suggestions, built-in security scanning, and seamless integration with your cloud infrastructure. Here's the power: start typing a Lambda function. CodeWhisperer suggests AWS SDK best practices, writes DynamoDB queries with proper error handling, and flags security issues before you even deploy. It speaks fluent AWS. Cloud-native advantages. AWS service integration and optimization suggestions tailored to your architecture. Built-in security vulnerability, scanning catches issues before deployment. Optimized Lambda function suggestions that follow AWS best practices. Completely free for individual developers, yes, you heard that right. Tailored specifically for serverless architectures and cloud-native patterns. Free for individuals with enterprise plans for larger organizations. If you're building on AWS, CodeWhisperer is a no-brainer. It speaks the language of cloud infrastructure natively. SuperMaven 1. And now, drumroll please, number 1, SuperMaven, the absolute performance leader. SuperMaven is the speed demon of AI code completion. We're talking 10 times faster completions than GitHub Copilot with zero lag on massive repositories. It's positioned to be your new daily driver in 2025. Here's the game changer: working on a 2 million line codebase. While other tools lag and stutter, SuperMaven provides instant suggestions the moment you type, maintaining perfect flow state even in huge monorepos. The difference is night and day. Why it's number 1. 10 times faster completions than any competitor. The speed difference is genuinely shocking. Handles massive repositories effortlessly, codebases with millions of lines, no problem. Available as a VS Code extension for immediate integration. Zero latency on complex code bases, no more waiting for suggestions to load. Free beta access throughout all of 2025. That's right, free beta for the entire year. Why is this our top pick? Speed matters. When you're in flow state, even milliseconds of lag can break your concentration. SuperMaven keeps you moving at the speed of thought. Install it today and feel the difference immediately. And there you have it, the top 10 AI tools that will transform your development life in 2025. Let's recap with your quick start guide. New to AI coding, start with GitHub Copilot. It's the most approachable entry point. Want full automation? Go for Devin and experience autonomous development. Need pure speed? Install SuperMaven today and never look back. Require enterprise security? Choose Tabnine for privacy-first development. Now here's what I need you to do. First, smash that like button if this video saved you time. It helps more developers discover these tools. Second, share this with a developer friend who's still coding the old way. Help them level up. Third, subscribe to SKRS for more cutting-edge AI content. We drop new videos every week. Fourth, check out our future tech and AI playlist for deep dives into each of these technologies. And finally, drop a comment below telling me which tool are you installing first. I read every single comment and love hearing from you. This channel may be small, but it's built with a big vision to share free, proven insights on AI, future tech, and innovation. Your support means everything. Please like, share, and subscribe to grow with us. Links to all 10 tools are in the description below. One click and you're on your way to 10x productivity. Next week, we're tackling AI ethics, the deep dive into responsible AI development that every developer needs to understand. You won't want to miss it. Remember, the future of development is AI-assisted. The question isn't whether to adopt these tools, it's which ones to start with. This is SKRS, your guide to future tech and AI. Code on, developers, see you in the next one. Again, reiterating, every big channel starts small. With your support, this positive journey can grow into something amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.